I know, Tomagoyaki again. Because again, that's what happens when madness descends and the shit show begins. When the whole world feels like it's spiraling out of control in an insane, increasing, faster, tumultuous vortex. Then I wake up to find it's not a dream, it's reality. I get up. I know it sounds crazy, but it works. Routine, rituals. To calm my nerves, I let my hands, my thoughts, drown in the habitual movements of making a tamagoyaki, Japanese seaweed omelette. No joke. Sometimes the solace, the comfort, and the calm can be found in the most basic and simplest of things. Maybe it's the solace, the comfort, and the calm that can be found only in the most basic and simplest of things, like a great cup of coffee. I mean, not just a good or mediocre one, but a memorable, delicious one. When a drink can be healing, and deceptively, the simplest things are often the hardest to make, such as a great cup of coffee, such as a classic Japanese omelette, the lightest, fluffiest pillars of eggs sandwiched between sheets of seaweed and good energies, gorgeously stunning and nutritionally spectacular. There's a big difference, a universe apart between feeding the body, healing and nurturing through comfort food versus food that is just fuel, or worse, food so ultra-processed it's no longer food. Habits, routine, repetition are powerful tools to hold us and keep us. Keep me from sinking under when the world has gone mad. Seeking a refuge or a norm or a steady, it's a lifeline just to barely keep me afloat. Don't knock it. There is a monumental force of the mundane and of repetition to take my mind off from the utter swelling chaos all around. It's an attempt to protect my fragile soul and sanity from exploding. How do I wake up and not let bad thoughts hijack my day from the moment I wake up? How do I physically push my body out of bed? Literally force my body to lead my head and not the other way round. Cooking these Japanese omelettes demands patience and focus and mindfulness. It's a delicious and meditative exercise, deliberate into coaxing my spinning thoughts to at least 1,000 miles slower. Tips. Add the egg too early and it will go flat. It will not be light and airy. No fluffy pillows of eggs. This is the signature of an authentic Japanese omelette. Worse, it will be flat and boring. Life is too short to settle with boring. So don't. Add the liquid egg too late and it will burn. Too hard to fold. It will crack under the strain and stress. Just like in life, timing is everything. There is just the right moment when to place the seaweed down, like an ace in a game of cards. Don't let the seaweed sink or wrinkle. The process of cooking is medicinal. In the flow, it can be trance-like. It's a deep, creative therapy. It is profound and powerfully healing. Alchemic and divine, connecting us to invisible laws of which we cannot see and can only feel. Deliciously nurturing the soul, the spirit and mind through the wondrous magic of process. Here, cooking. Slow and rhythmic, consistent, loyal and dutiful. Cooking, prepping, stirring, smelling, tasting and feeding is immersion. It's quiet thoughts. For me, solace kitchen work. A dear and precious gift, a dim yet guiding light for me in this world's mad darkness. Bouncy, soft. It's healing. Healing to make it, healing to cook it, healing to hold it, healing to eat it. Healing just to look at how beautiful it is. Taking another one. This is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Look at the spirals here. Beautiful thin layers, bouncy, lovely, aerated, and the seaweed. Something from nature. Something from nature.